Spotlight is a privately owned business, 120 stores in total. 12 of them are Anaconda stores, so they're adventure playground, boys' toys type stores. And Spotlight stores are 108, and they're in Australia, New Zealand, Singapore and Hong Kong. We are a fabric, craft, homemaker, fashion content type of store. We're about 35 years old, and we have had enormous growth over the last 10 to 12 years. So we've grown from a small store in the market to a large multinational, almost billion-dollar organisation. I've been with the organisation some 2 years, and when I joined Spotlight, what I found is that we had legacy systems that are failing, technologies that were old school technologies. We had bits of some and parts of others and nothing that made sense in terms of a strategy. What we needed in terms of supporting our growth was reliable infrastructure, reliable business partners and reliable technology. So over the last 2 years I've set about replacing most of that technology, as well as the store level technology, all of the back end. Part of that was failing stores in terms of product and price and not delivering to our customers. So as part of that strategy we replaced all of the point of sale systems and all of the devices at the store, as well as our infrastructure. In the past in Spotlight we had Symbol, Motorola, wireless technology and a hybrid of handheld devices out there. What we found is that the devices themselves were unreliable, they were old technology and they were causing us some grief. What we very quickly moved to, given the placement of Motorola Symbol in the worldwide marketplace, was to move towards a combined solution for both handheld devices and wireless technology. What we wanted is one trusted partner to provide an end-to-end solution rather than a hybrid where bits of the puzzle fell off at a time that was inappropriate. Spotlight and Anaconda use Motorola mobile devices and infrastructure in all of our stores, in all of our countries, for basically serving our customers. Point of sale, we use PDAs for mobile technology within the store for stock keeping. We have stock on hand. We do mobile PDA now in terms of serving our customers on the floor, stock checks, all of the things for ordering as well across both brands. Our wireless infrastructure allows us to be mobile around our stores. Some of our stores are up to 5,000 square metres in size, which are enormous stores when you don't have mobile technology. So for us it's part of our main core business and our core services provided to our customers. The choice for Motorola was simple. They're a trusted brand, they're worldwide. I dealt with Motorola in the old days when they were Symbol, and I've been around retailing for some 25 years. They are a trusted, loyal partner to many of the majors. As I said, when I joined Spotlight some 2 years ago, we had fragmented technology. We had devices that were bought in the cheap and cheerful era. They weren't robust, they didn't service our needs. We had devices from one area and software from another, and the two didn't run necessarily very well. We need to move to a more strategic approach when you have the growth that Spotlight have had over the last 35 years. You can't be dealing with backyard organisations or backyard technology. So where we would have chosen in the past devices for price, now we chose devices for strategy. Spotlight is benefiting now and will into the future from a combination of the wireless technology and the handheld technology. We have just implemented an SAP system, and part of that SAP system is store receiving at store level. The devices themselves allow us to be more mobile about serving our customers in terms of the applications that we run on the units. They allow us to move around the store very quickly, and they also give us a suite of applications on the devices that are easy to use. They're all touch, they're very fast, the response is fast, and our stores are significantly realising some increased productivity down at store levels by the application of those devices. In terms of the future, we're fairly well mapped out in terms of what we want to do. growth in Spotlight has been significant over the last 35 years, and we're only just starting now to pop up on our competitors' radar. What we really need to do is make sure that we are secure in the management of our data at store level, and given that, we're working towards the air defence solution using the RFMS technology provided by Motorola.